Hello YouTubes, this is Eric from RC Monster Garage. What we got here today is the Team Losi Rock Rey. This is a 1/10 scale rock crawler. Even though it's a little bit bigger than a regular 10 scale, it's actually a little bit bigger than the Exile 10 scale Yeti. Very cool looking vehicle, 4-wheel drive. This is just a quick review for it. I'm gonna do more detailed review later. I just wanted to show it because it's very good looking vehicle. They put on it very big rock roller tires on it. It's have a nice shock tower that actually also gonna be as a flip bar. When you flip it and you hit, nothing will happen. It's even come equipped already with LED lights, and here inside they actually made a special mount, so if you use a Fat Shark camera you can actually use it with this vehicle. Overall, when you first look at it, this looks really awesome. If you look closer in right there, they gone the extra mile and make those fake disc brakes lock with kind of a Brembo red brake pad, so it's pretty cool. They made a look-alike fan, like a twin fan on the back. Very good looking vehicle, but let's see what there is actually under it when you flip it. I gently flip it. Okay, so what we got here is actually all aluminum frame. It's pretty cool because it's going to make it very durable. You have a nice transfer drive shaft on the rear, and you have those nice, very strong A-arm. They are kind of a look like a solid piece for the A-arm. Really cool looking. And again, this is just a quick review. Those are the wheels. They're very massive wheel, pretty big. They look literally like a 1/8 scale, not a 1/10 scale. Very cool vehicle. 2 or 3S LiPo battery required for this vehicle. And let me show you something really cool. It's hard to know at the beginning where to put the battery. So when you go around the vehicle and you're gonna lift it, the battery go right there. There's a small latch. You open it up, you put the battery here, and you connect it over there. It's very cool because it means the integrity of the vehicle is all strong together. The frame, there is a small roll cage frame in it that will hold everything together, so there's nothing that you need to open. Again, this was a quick review on the Team Losi 1/10 scale Rock Rey, now available at MotoStyles RC Monster Garage. It's available in blue and black and yellow and black for your choice. Thank you and see you soon.